Earning money from a website can be achieved through various methods, depending on your website's niche, content, audience, and your overall goals. Here are some popular strategies to monetize a website. 1. Advertising and display networks. Google AdSense. Display ads from Google on your website and earn money based on clicks or impressions. Media.net. Another advertising network that displays relevant ads on your site. Ad management platforms. Use platforms like AdThrive or Mediavine for premium ad management services if you have a substantial amount of traffic. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your website's content and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your affiliate links. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. 3. Sponsored content. Partner with companies to create sponsored blog posts, reviews, or other types of content in exchange for payment. Ensure that the sponsored content aligns with your website's niche and provides value to your audience. 4. Sell products or services. If you have physical or digital products, you can sell them directly through your website. Offer services related to your expertise, such as consulting, coaching, or freelance work. 5. Subscription/membership models. Offer premium content, courses, or exclusive resources to subscribers or members who pay a recurring fee. Platforms like Patreon can help you manage subscriptions. 6. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, templates, software, or other digital products relevant to your website's niche. 7. Donations and crowdfunding. Set up donation buttons or crowdfunding campaigns, for example, Kickstarter, GoFundMe, to receive financial support from your audience. 8. Freemium model. Offer a free version of your content or tool along with a premium, more feature-rich version that users can access by paying. 9. Consulting and coaching. Leverage your expertise to offer consulting services, either one-on-one or in group sessions, through your website. 10. Events and webinars. Organize paid webinars, workshops, or online events for your audience. Platforms like Zoom or Webinar Jam can help you manage and host such events. 11. Sell a space directly. Approach companies in your niche and offer them the opportunity to advertise directly on your website. 12. Job boards. If your website is related to a specific industry, you can set up a job board where employers can post job listings for a fee. Remember that successful monetization often requires a combination of these methods and a focus on providing value to your audience. It's important to balance your monetization efforts with maintaining a positive user experience and delivering high-quality content. Additionally, building a strong and engaged audience is key to the success of any monetization strategy. Creating a website with the intention of earning money requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Choose a profitable niche. Select a niche that you are knowledgeable and passionate about, and that also has the potential to generate revenue. Research market trends, competition, and audience demand to ensure there's a viable opportunity. 2. Domain and hosting. Choose a domain name that reflects your website's purpose and is easy to remember. Purchase web hosting from a reliable provider that offers good uptime and support. 3. Content creation. Develop high-quality, valuable content that appeals to your target audience. Regularly update your website with fresh articles, blog posts, videos, or other forms of content that provide value. 4. Search engine optimization. SEO. Optimize your website for search engines to improve its visibility in search results. Use relevant keywords, optimize meta tags, and focus on both on-page and off-page SEO techniques. 5. Build an audience. Promote your website through social media, email marketing, and other relevant channels to attract and engage a loyal audience. Interact with your visitors and encourage them to share your content. 6. Monetization strategies. Implement various monetization methods based on your niche and audience. Consider the following options: advertising. Display ads from networks like Google AdSense or engage with premium ad management platforms. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn commissions on sales. Sponsored content. Partner with companies for sponsored posts or reviews. Sell products/services, offer physical or digital products, or provide services through your website. Membership/subscription, offer premium content or resources for a recurring fee. Donations/crowdfunding, encourage your audience to support your website through donations. 7. User experience, ensure your website is user-friendly, easy to navigate, and optimized for different devices, desktop, tablet, mobile. A positive user experience encourages visitors to stay longer and return. 8. Analytics and tracking, use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance, traffic sources, and user behavior. Analyze this data to make informed decisions and optimize your strategies. 9. Continuous improvement, regularly update and refine your website based on user feedback and performance metrics. Experiment with different monetization methods and content formats to find what works best. 10. Legal and compliance, be aware of legal requirements, such as privacy policies, terms of use, and disclosure for sponsored content or affiliate marketing. Remember, building a successful money-making website takes time and effort. It's crucial to focus on providing genuine value to your audience while exploring different monetization avenues. As your website grows and gains traction, your earnings potential will increase. Certainly, here are some general methods to earn money. 1. Employment. Get a job or freelance work in your field of expertise or interest. 2. Entrepreneurship. Start your own business, whether it's a product-based business, service-based business, or an online venture. 3. Investing. Put your money into stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles. 4. Rental income. Rent out properties or assets you own, such as real estate, vehicles, or equipment. 5. Dividends and interest. Earn money from stocks and investments that pay dividends, or from interest earned on savings accounts or bonds. 6. Selling items. Sell physical or digital products online through platforms like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, or your own e-commerce website. 7. Consulting and coaching. Use your expertise to offer consulting or coaching services in areas like business, personal development, fitness, etc. 8. Online content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, podcast, or social media account and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. 9. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate links. 10. Gig economy. Offer your skills or services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit. 11. Teaching and tutoring. Teach courses or offer tutoring services, either in person or online, in subjects you excel in. 12. Renting assets. Rent out your unused space, such as a room on Airbnb, or rent out equipment like cameras or tools. 13. Driving and delivery services. Drive for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, or do food and package deliveries. 14. Photography and art. Sell your photographs, artwork, or crafts through online galleries or at local markets. 15. Writing and publishing. Write and publish books, e-books, or articles on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing or Medium. 16. Pet sitting or babysitting. Provide pet sitting or babysitting services for people in your community. 17. Health and fitness services. Become a personal trainer, yoga instructor, or a wellness coach. 18. Event planning. Organize and plan events, parties, or weddings for clients. 19. Performing arts. Use your skills in acting, music, or other performing arts to earn money through performances. 20. Repair and maintenance services. Offer repair services for electronics, appliances, vehicles, or home maintenance. Remember that success in earning money often requires a combination of hard work, dedication, skill development, and a willingness to adapt to changing market trends. Additionally, it's important to consider your strengths, interests, and the needs of your target audience when choosing your money-making path. I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing financial losses. Financial setbacks can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to manage and recover from losses. 1. Assess the situation. Take a clear and honest look at your financial situation. Identify the sources of your losses and understand the factors that contributed to them. This assessment will help you make informed decisions moving forward. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Focus on essentials and prioritize spending on necessities. This can help you regain control over your finances and reduce further losses. 3. Create a budget. Develop a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. A budget can help you allocate your resources effectively and make sure you're not overspending. 4. Seek professional advice. If the losses are significant or complex, consider consulting a financial advisor or a certified public accountant, CPA, to help you assess your situation and develop a plan to recover. 5. Explore additional income streams. Look for ways to generate additional income. This could involve taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or starting a side business to supplement your earnings. 6. Debt management. If you have debts, develop a plan to manage and reduce them. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first and consider negotiating with creditors if you're struggling to make payments. 7. Learn and improve. Reflect on the factors that led to the losses and consider them as learning opportunities. Use the experience to make informed decisions in the future and avoid repeating the same mistakes. 8. Emergency fund. Establish or rebuild an emergency fund. Having a financial safety net can help you better navigate unexpected expenses or losses in the future. 9. Emotional well-being. Financial losses can be emotionally taxing. It's important to take care of your mental and emotional well-being during this time. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals for support if needed. 10. Stay persistent. Recovery from financial losses takes time. Stay persistent, stay focused on your goals, and keep working towards improving your financial situation. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of life, and many people face challenges at various points. The key is to approach these challenges with a positive mindset, a willingness to adapt, and a commitment to taking constructive actions. If your situation is particularly challenging, consider seeking guidance from financial professionals who can provide personalized advice based on your circumstances. To make a profit and earn money, you'll need to engage in activities that generate more revenue than your expenses. Here's a general outline of steps to help you work towards making a profit. 1. Business idea and plan. If you're starting a business, develop a clear business idea and create a detailed business plan. Outline your goals, target market, products or services, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. 2. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. This information will help you tailor your offerings to meet market demands. 3. Cost analysis. Calculate all your costs, including production, materials, labor, marketing, overhead, and any other expenses. This will help you determine the minimum amount you need to generate to cover your costs. 4. Pricing strategy. Set your prices strategically to ensure they cover your costs and provide room for profit. Consider factors like perceived value, competition, and customer willingness to pay. 5. Effective marketing and sales. Develop a strong marketing strategy to reach your target audience and promote your products or services. Utilize online and offline channels, social media, advertising, and networking to attract customers. 6. Quality and value. Focus on delivering high-quality products or services that provide value to your customers. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others. 7. Expense management. Continuously monitor and manage your expenses. Look for ways to optimize costs without sacrificing the quality of your offerings. 8. Scale and growth. As your business gains traction, explore opportunities for growth. This could involve expanding your product line, entering new markets, or increasing your customer base. 9. Financial analysis. Regularly review your financial statements, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These will provide insights into your business's financial health and profitability. 10. Adapt and innovate. Stay open to feedback and be willing to adapt and innovate based on changing market conditions and customer preferences. 11. Diversification. Consider diversifying your income streams by offering complementary products or services, exploring new markets, or expanding into related niches. 12. Customer retention. Focus on building strong customer relationships and offering excellent customer service. Repeat business and customer loyalty can contribute significantly to your profitability. Remember that achieving consistent profitability may take time and effort. It's important to have patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from both successes and challenges. Monitoring your financial performance and making informed decisions based on data will be crucial to your success in earning a profit. If you're unsure about specific strategies for your industry or situation, seeking advice from a business mentor or consultant can be valuable. Certainly, creating a website can be a great way to earn money. Here are some specific types of websites and ways to earn money from them. 1. E-commerce website. Set up an online store to sell physical or digital products. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress plugin, or BigCommerce to create your e-commerce website. 2. Affiliate marketing blog. Create a blog or website focused on a specific niche, for example, technology, health, fashion, and promote affiliate products. Earn commissions for each sale made through your affiliate links. 3. Online course or membership site. Offer valuable content, courses, or resources in exchange for a one-time payment or recurring subscription fee. Platforms like Teachable or MemberPress can help you create and manage your courses or membership site. 4. Content subscription site. Create premium content, articles, videos, tutorials, and offer it to subscribers for a monthly fee. Platforms like Patreon or Substack can facilitate content subscriptions. 5. Freelance or consulting portfolio. Showcase your skills and services on a professional website. Potential clients can contact you for freelance work or consulting services. 6. Niche blog. Start a blog about a specific interest or topic you're knowledgeable about. You can monetize through display ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. 7. Personal branding website. Build a personal brand online by showcasing your expertise, achievements, and insights. This can lead to speaking engagements, consulting opportunities, or book deals. 8. Job board or marketplace. Create a platform where employers and job seekers can connect. You can earn money by charging employers to post job listings or by offering premium features. 9. Travel or lifestyle blog. Share your travel experiences, tips, or lifestyle advice. Monetize through sponsored travel, affiliate marketing,